Which type of unemployment results from a mismatch between workers' skills and the requirements of available jobs, often due to technological change? Option A, structural unemployment. Option B, frictional unemployment. Option C, cyclical unemployment. Option D, seasonal unemployment. The correct answer is A, structural unemployment. Which type of unemployment rises and falls with the overall business cycle, increasing during recessions? Option A, frictional unemployment. Option B, cyclical unemployment. Option C, structural unemployment. Option D, seasonal unemployment. The correct answer is B, cyclical unemployment. A yield curve in which long-term interest rates are higher than short-term rates, reflecting normal economic expectations, is called a, option A, inverted yield curve. Option B, flat yield curve. Option C, normal, positive, yield curve. Option D, humped yield curve. The correct answer is C, normal, positive, yield curve. Which of the following best describes a bond's current yield? Option A, the bond's coupon rate divided by its par value. Option B, the total return earned if held to maturity. Option C, the price at which the issuer can redeem the bond early. Option D, annual interest payment divided by the bond's current market price. The correct answer is D, annual interest payment divided by the bond's current market price. Which yield measure accounts for a bond's price, coupon rate, time to maturity, and assumes the bond is held until it matures? Option A, yield to maturity. Option B, current yield. Option C, nominal yield. Option D, yield to call. The correct answer is A, yield to maturity. Which bond yield measure is used when a bond is likely to be redeemed by the issuer before its stated maturity date? Option A, yield to maturity. Option B, yield to call. Option C, current yield. Option D, nominal yield. The correct answer is B, yield to call. Which Federal Reserve tool involves buying and selling U.S. government securities to influence the money supply? Option A, the discount rate. Option B, the reserve requirement. Option C, open market operations. Option D, the prime rate. The correct answer is C, open market operations. Which Federal Reserve tool refers to the percentage of deposits banks must hold in reserve rather than lend out? Option A, the discount rate. Option B, open market operations. Option C, the federal funds rate. Option D, reserve requirement. The correct answer is D, reserve requirement. An option strategy in which an investor holding a stock buys a put option to protect against a decline in its price is known as, Option A, a protective put. Option B, a covered call. Option C, a straddle. Option D, a naked call. The correct answer is A, a protective put. Which of the following best describes a covered call strategy? Option A, buying a put option to protect a long stock position. Option B, selling a call option on a stock the investor already owns. Option C, selling a call option without owning the underlying stock. Option D, buying a call option speculatively. The correct answer is B, selling a call option on a stock the investor already owns. Under the annual gift tax exclusion, a donor may give a certain amount per recipient each year without, Option A, filing a federal income tax return. Option B, paying any state property tax. Option C, reducing their lifetime federal gift and estate tax exemption. Option D, registering the gift with the SEC. The correct answer is C, reducing their lifetime federal gift and estate tax exemption. Which form of joint account ownership includes an automatic right of survivorship, meaning a deceased owner's share passes directly to the surviving owners? Option A, tenants in common. Option B, community property. Option C, tenancy by the entirety. Option D, joint tenants with rights of survivorship, TROS. The correct answer is D, joint tenants with rights of survivorship, TROs. Which type of retirement plan promises a specific, predetermined benefit at retirement, typically based on salary and years of service? Option A, defined benefit plan. Option B, defined contribution plan. Option C, 529 savings plan. Option D, health savings account. The correct answer is A, defined benefit plan. Which type of retirement plan's ultimate benefit depends on contributions made and investment performance, rather than a guaranteed payout? Option A, defined benefit plan. Option B, defined contribution plan. Option C, traditional pension plan. Option D, Social Security. The correct answer is B, defined contribution plan. Which small business retirement plan allows an employer to make tax-deductible contributions directly to employees' traditional IRAs? Option A, Simple IRA. Option B, 401k plan. Option C, SEP IRA, Simplified Employee Pension. Option D, Defined Benefit Plan. The correct answer is C, SEP IRA, Simplified Employee Pension. A 403b plan is a tax-advantaged retirement plan typically offered by Option A, small for-profit businesses only. Option B, federal government employees only. Option C, self-employed individuals only. Option D, public schools and certain tax-exempt organizations. The correct answer is D, public schools and certain tax-exempt organizations. Which economic term describes a situation combining stagnant economic growth, high unemployment, and rising inflation at the same time? Option A, stagflation. Option B, deflation. Option C, disinflation. Option D, hyperinflation. The correct answer is A, stagflation. Real GDP differs from nominal GDP in that real GDP, Option A, includes only government spending. Option B, is adjusted for inflation. Option C, measures only exports. Option D, excludes consumer spending. The correct answer is B, is adjusted for inflation. Which economic index tracks the average change in selling prices received by domestic producers, often viewed as an early signal of consumer inflation? Option A, Consumer Price Index, CPI. Option B, Leading Economic Index, LEI. Option C, Producer Price Index, PPI. Option D, Case-Shiller Home Price Index. The correct answer is C, Producer Price Index, PPI. Which of the following is a short-term, unsecured promissory note issued by large corporations to meet short-term funding needs? Option A, a negotiable certificate of deposit. Option B, a banker's acceptance. Option C, a repurchase agreement. Option D, commercial paper. The correct answer is D, commercial paper. Which money market instrument is a time deposit issued by a bank that can be sold in the secondary market before maturity? Option A, negotiable certificate of deposit. Option B, commercial paper. Option C, a banker's acceptance. Option D, a repurchase agreement. The correct answer is A, negotiable certificate of deposit. Under the Investment Company Act of 1940, a company that pools investor money to invest in securities and is registered with the SEC is generally classified as an Option A, broker-dealer. Option B, investment company. Option C, transfer agent. Option D, clearing corporation. The correct answer is B, investment company. Which exemption under the Securities Act of 1933 allows a company to raise capital from investors located entirely within a single state without full federal registration? Option A, Regulation D. Option B, Regulation A. Option C, the intrastate offering exemption. Option D, the accredited investor exemption. The correct answer is C, the intrastate offering exemption. Under NASA guidelines, investment advisor records must generally be retained for a minimum of Option A, 1 year. Option B, 3 years. Option C, 10 years. Option D, 5 years. The correct answer is D, 5 years. Which of the following is generally prohibited under an investment advisor's advertising rules? Option A, using client testimonials that could mislead prospective clients. Option B, disclosing the firm's fee schedule. Option C, describing the advisor's services accurately. Option D, listing the advisor's professional credentials. The correct answer is A, using client testimonials that could mislead prospective clients. An investment advisor may generally charge performance-based fees only to Option A, any retail client who requests it. Option B, qualified clients who meet minimum wealth or asset thresholds. Option C, only clients over the age of 65. Option D, clients who waive their fiduciary protections. The correct answer is B, qualified clients who meet minimum wealth or asset thresholds. Which of the following best defines alpha in portfolio performance measurement? Option A, the total return of an investment before fees. Option B, the standard deviation of an investment's returns. Option C, the excess return of an investment relative to what its beta would predict. Option D, the correlation between two securities. The correct answer is C, the excess return of an investment relative to what its beta would predict. The capital asset pricing model, CAPM, is primarily used to determine Option A, a bond's price sensitivity to interest rate changes. Option B, a fund's total expense ratio. Option C, the optimal mix of assets for a given risk level. Option D, an investment's expected return based on its systematic risk, beta. The correct answer is D, an investment's expected return based on its systematic risk, beta. Which measure of return accounts for the timing and size of cash flows into and out of a portfolio, commonly used to evaluate an investor's actual experience? Option A, dollar-weighted return, money-weighted return. Option B, time-weighted return. Option C, real rate of return. Option D, holding period return. The correct answer is A, dollar-weighted return, money-weighted return. A bond's convexity describes, Option A, the bond's exact time to maturity. Option B, the curvature in the relationship between a bond's price and changes in interest rates. Option C, the bond's credit rating. Option D, the bond's coupon payment frequency. The correct answer is B, the curvature in the relationship between a bond's price and changes in interest rates.